I have got a lot of questions from ladies who are 50 plus and they've always wanted to explore dance. Now I tell you with full confidence that this is the best time of your life to start learning. Seriously, it's time to invest in your interests. What I would suggest is find out how fit you are, not how old. It doesn't matter to me how old you are. Really. I'm not just saying this, not a cliche thing to say. I believe in fitness rather than the number of candles on your cake. If you're fit enough, then please go ahead, take on to dancing, take on to the passion of actually moving to various kinds of musics and various kinds of music, text and various kinds of rhythms. But don't expect yourself to become fit by learning dance. I think fitness and dance are two different things. I know lots of people learn dance because they think that, oh, they will lose weight. I would suggest lose the weight and then dance and maintain it. You can use it to maintain it, but to learn dancing in order to lose weight doesn't make sense. So don't think of what you have lost in terms of time or resources. Think of what you can gain for however old you are, it doesn't matter. You want to learn dance? Please go ahead. Just make sure that you're fit, if you have any medical issues, you have addressed them. The mentor or the teacher knows of your problems. You, as an individual, keep a very keen eye on your own physical conditions. You're eating right, you're drinking right, you're resting well. Sky's the limit.